Note has always been the phone for people looking to get the most out of a phone. Today, we're taking Note further. Say hi to Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. S Pen turns writing to text, lets you share thoughts instantly, and with Bluetooth becomes your remote control. Inside Note 10, S Pen continuously charges, and with a 6-axis gyro sensor, offers touch-free gesture control. Our groundbreaking multi-camera system hasn't just brought movie technology to mobile, it's made it ridiculously simple to use. For the first time, Live Focus brings special effects to video. Our depth vision camera means you can adjust the blur, and your videos will look just as amazing as your photos. And to make high-motion video every bit as epic, we've introduced advanced super steady technology that takes away the shakes at the touch of a button. The result? A super smooth video every time. With S Pen and Video Editor, you can edit your videos with the precision of a professional movie editor. Note 10 takes memory to new levels, with storage expandable up to 1 terabyte. That's laptop storage without the laptop. Our powerful 7nm processor and 12GB RAM combined with our hyper-fast 5G chip. So you can download files, live game, and stream content at unbelievable speeds, anywhere. Cutting-edge battery intelligence ensures our 4,300 mAh battery outlasts your day. And if you need a boost, super fast charging gives you all-day power from a 30-minute charge. Why carry a computer? With just a single USB cable, you can plug into your PC or Mac, and Samsung DeX will give you a seamless, desktop-like experience. At the same time, what's your business will always remain your business, thanks to our proprietary next-level security. Security baked in at every level to protect what's yours. And your recent files will sync to desktop, thanks to our new Microsoft partnership. Link to Windows gives you PC mobile continuity, so your computer recognizes Note 10, providing instant access to your mobile content via desktop, while the revolutionized Android interface simplifies your on-screen experience. And with a single voice prompt, "Hi Bixby, movie mode," Bixby AI will perform lists of tasks, automatically changing settings for you. Note's screen has always led the way. Note's dynamic AMOLED display cuts harmful blue light by 40% without distorting color. Composed of organic pixel materials to lessen eye strain, it will never be your screen that keeps you up at night. With Galaxy Note, we haven't just made a new smartphone. Introducing next-level power, Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus.
aspects of our current business model, including how we can more closely collaborate as we get closer to release dates. We'll have time for your questions. Don't forget, finish around 11:30. So I'm just going to jump right in here. Quite a lot of your company strengths, and research. Exciting color is over here on the right-hand side. This is a Aura Glow.
Strikingly beautiful. Beautiful design.
This is the one that gets all the attention.
We've got Samsung's signature built-in design.
I love the way this phone looks and feels in the hand.
It looks and feels premium for sure.
Both have been designed and built really well.
So, I like it.
It's time to change.
Battery life.
The biggest battery ever put into a Note.
Note 10 Plus is capable of 45-watt fast charging. Actually insane for a phone.
I paired the phone to a smartwatch and 2 sets of Bluetooth headphones, and I never took fewer than 30 photos a day. Despite all that, the phone never got close to zero before bedtime after 18 hours.
The Note series is usually like the benchmark of the best, the powerhouse.
And there you have it. I mean, it's an exciting new phone. It's time to change.
Looks pretty dope to me.
This one being in a more typical location in the center gives you sort of the perfect framing for a selfie.
Você tá fazendo gracinha, eu tô impressionado com o treco que eu tô vendo aqui. Esse daqui eu não tinha visto funcionar ainda não. Sério, velho. Como assim?
It's a neat show of Samsung's AR talent.
It was a lot more fun using the new AR Doodle. This was shot with no gimbal, no rig, just a phone in my hand. With a feature list longer than almost any smartphones and an 8-year legacy of almost nothing but hits.
It's time to change.
This is the prettiest display I've ever laid eyes on.
It's beautiful.
A gorgeous looking phone.
The colors really do pop. It's one of the brightest displays in the market.
Very bright, great colors, and just a pleasure to look at.
One thing I'm liking straight away is there is something pleasing about the layout.
Like almost entirely screen, it's super immersive. Especially the corners, it gets crazy close to the corners and doesn't round them too much.
Yeah, it's a stunner. Seriously, look at it.
It's time to change.
Galaxy Note wouldn't be a Galaxy Note without the S Pen.
This is really what makes the Note series unique.
More ergonomic, rounded corners. It put a gyroscope in the pen so you can do this.
Funcionou?
Gente, que loucura!
From the moment you start writing on the Note with the S Pen, the phone interprets your words and indexes them.
Type the word you wrote, and it'll actually show up. That is a super cool, I think, very useful feature.
I'm still an S Pen fan. It's a very useful tool that literally no other phone has.
It's time to change.